What's up, guys? PM My Boy 08. Got my SRG, 2009-year-old one, and I'm gonna shoot it today. All right, here we go. This is semi-auto. And I have a leak. That sucks. Well, right now I'm going to do the kick test. Hope you can see that. There's really not much kick to it at all. Alright, and I'll go ahead and shoot. Okay. Ooh! Alright. Do accurate. Alright, peace out.